Longrich Super Be Clean Sanitary Napkin is uniquely designed to give extra comfort, better protection, convenience, and better confidence for women. Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, as high as 83.6% of married women are afflicted with gynecological disease, and 62% of these diseases are caused by use of pure quality sanitary napkins. Longrich Super Be Clean Sanitary Napkin is made out of 8 layers, providing users with ultra comfort, more absorption, and prevent side leakage. The Super Be Clean Sanitary Napkin also comes with a magnetic, negatively charged ion and far infrared strip that helps to prevent odor and to relieve menstrual discomforts. The 8 benefits of Longrich Super Be Clean Sanitary Napkin are perseverance of health, provides antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, eliminates odor, promotes metabolism, improves endocrine functions, enhances immunity, and relieves stress. Longrich Super Be Clean Sanitary Napkin now comes in loose packs. Longrich Classy Style Energy Pie Cup lets you drink high-quality alkaline water anywhere, anytime. Because of our unhealthy lifestyle today, such as smoking, alcohol drinking, and the consumption of too much junk food, our human body gets overly acidic and becomes imbalanced. That is why you need alkaline water to balance the body's pH. Longrich Classy Style Energy Pie Cup provides alkaline balance, promotes small molecular activity, gives anion exchange, eliminates chlorine, and provides both zinc-rich properties and antioxidant properties. With Longrich Classy Style Energy Pie Cup, drinking safe is living healthy. Classy Style Energy Pot is practical, safe, innovative, and economical. Made from Model 304 food-grade stainless steel, the Classy Style Energy Pot combines ancient Chinese knowledge with modern technology to enhance the flavor and texture of your food. With Classy Style Energy Pot, food never tasted this good. Nutri-Rich is a healthy food made up of nature's live ingredients and is intended to improve a person's constitution by lyophilization in 45 types of natural ingredients, such as grains, vegetables, mushrooms, and seaweeds, grown in the environment-friendly farm in Gwangwon-do, Korea. Developed over the span of 10 years, Nutri-Rich is certified as safe by the Food and Drug Administration of the United States. Nutri-Rich is also GMP certified and has received numerous certifications for environment-friendly farming, organic certification, and halal, making Nutri-Rich the best organic supplement for your body needs. Nutri-Rich is low in calories and is highly recommended for those who want a healthy life, individuals looking for a complete and balanced diet, individuals who want to be slim, students, individuals with low immunity, vegetarians. Nutri-Rich is also suitable for cancer patients and diabetic patients. Longrich Bone M is made using modern German biotechnology. The key ingredients are synergistically blended. This includes 3,000 Dalton Fine hydrolyzed collagen and potent anti-inflammatory mangosteen essence, which are easily absorbed by our body, bones, tendons, and connective tissues, as well as escalates the regeneration of cartilage tissue. Human clinical trials have proven that 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen can definitely reduce joint pain and contribute to the regeneration of cartilage. A study by Oser in 1999 found that the absorption of hydrolyzed collagen is absorbed within the first 12 hours. This study suggests that hydrolyzed collagen accumulates in the cartilage and is able to stimulate chondrocyte metabolism. With 655 million people suffering from arthritis in today's world, Bone M is the solution to ease the pain and provides more mobility. So who needs Bone M? Individuals with joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation problems. the elderly, individual with overweight problem, and individuals with injured joints. Longrich SOD milk contains placenta essence, liposome SOD, vitamin E, and other nutrients. The SOD milk has great affinity for the skin, penetrating and helping to improve damaged skin. Longrich SOD milk is effective in nourishing and protecting the skin, giving you a radiant and vigorous youthful skin. Longrich Bamboo Charcoal Whitening Soap contains natural bamboo charcoal with excellent absorption forces that can effectively clean excessive grease and impurities. The bamboo carbon whitening soap also contains natural cleansing agents that freshens and gives smooth skin. The coconut oil essence within the soap helps preserve moisture and moistens the skin. The bamboo carbon soap is suitable for neutral and oily skin. Longrich White Tea Toothpaste is a fluoride-free toothpaste. The white tea essence and xylitol helps to strengthen the roots and helps to prevent tooth decay. Use Longrich White Tea Toothpaste every day to keep your mouth clean and fresh. Longrich's 2-in-1 shampoo refreshes your hair, leaving you with soft and stronger hair. Have dandruff problems too? Longrich's 2-in-1 shampoo contains the innovative crystal flakes of ZPT anti-dandruff factors, combining with the natural mint essence extracted from plants to relax your hair and to remove dandruff, dirt, and excessive grease effectively, leaving you with greater self-confidence and relaxation. Longrich 2-in-1 shampoo also uses a patented EMP protein technology, which contains a variety of amino acids closely resembling those in the human body, that also nourishes the scalp and provides better care for your hair. With the Longrich 2-in-1 shampoo, your hair is now soft, smooth, and silky. Longrich Herbal Moisturizing Body Wash is made out of green tea extract, aloe vera essence, licorice extract, and other natural ingredients to make your skin feel comfortable, tender, and smooth. The body wash has a mild botanic fragrance that is both soothing and refreshing. Herbal Moisturizing Body Wash is suitable for all types of skin. Longrich Concentrated Dishwashing Detergent is transparent and has a fresh fragrance. It is highly condensed and has high detergency. Made using natural ingredients, it is mild and effective, but does not irritate the skin. The condensed multiple washing ingredients of the detergent will effectively remove grease. The aloe vera and marine extract essence have a moistening effect that gives better protection to your hands. This detergent contains a natural formulation without the use of artificial colors. Longrich Concentrated Detergent Powder, which is formulated specifically to remove stubborn stains easily. The detergent powder uses a highly concentrated formula so that you can use less for better effect. Not only that, the detergent is also phosphate-free, making it more eco-friendly, easy to rinse, mild and gentle on hands. Washing now is so much easier with Longrich Concentrated Detergent Powder. Do you want a new healthy life that is toxic-free? Try Longrich's brand new all-purpose cleaner for all your cleaning needs. The all-purpose cleanser is made using natural ingredients such as mineral salts and natural brown algae extract. You can even use the cleanser for washing fruits and vegetables. The cleanser is able to break down pesticides and other harmful chemicals while washing. It can also kill bacteria within a time of 30 to 60 seconds. Longrich's all-purpose cleanser has passed the test as set by the Food and Drug Administration of the United States as an all-natural product. The cleanser is 100% biodegradable, making it safe and environment friendly. With more than 2,000 types of products, Longrich has all the products to cater for all your family needs. From personal care to household care items, to healthcare products and cosmetics, we at Longrich promise to provide you with products of high quality, giving you better health and lifestyle. Global Longrich, Centurial Longrich, is a goal for us at Longrich to serve you better.